Ever had a genius idea for a design, but your drawing skills look like finger paint freestyle meets chaotic scribble therapy? Yeah, we've all been there. That's where ColoringBook.ai and AiWithMe step in, your creative co-pilots for ideas too bold for bare hands. We turn wild concepts into printable masterpieces. No art degree or steady hand required. Welcome back to AiWithMe, your guide to building creativity, art, and business with the most powerful tools on the planet. Today, we're checking out ColoringBook.ai, an AI tool that transforms photos or text prompts into printable coloring pages. Whether you're a parent, artist, side hustler, or just love creative projects, this one's for you. Stick around. We'll cover how it works, pros and cons, and why it's a game changer. Upload a photo, your pet, a family moment, a travel shot, and boom, detailed line art in seconds. Perfect for gifts, teaching tools, KDP books, or stress-free coloring therapy. Type in something wild, cats in business suits or dinosaurs at the spa, and AI generates it instantly. We tried aliens at the DMV, and the results were hilarious and super crisp. Want a full book? Generate 20-plus pages with a consistent theme. Aliens, coffee, dinosaurs, even original stories. Entrepreneurs, this makes creating custom books for Amazon KDP ridiculously fast. Time equals money. Want a future video with prompt ideas? Drop a comment. Over 12,000 ready-to-go designs in PDF or PNG. Perfect for creative burnout days, classrooms, or just printing and coloring for fun. Pros: free to start, super easy to use, privacy-friendly storage, fun for all ages. Cons: free plan has limited credits plus short wait times during peak hours. I'd love more free credits, but it's still an amazing preview. Here's the fun part. What's your dream coloring page? A pet portrait, a fantasy world, or something totally random? Drop it in the comments. I'll pick the most creative ones, generate them in ColoringBook.ai, and turn them into a 100% free downloadable coloring book for this community. And if you want the perfect soundtrack while coloring, check out our lo-fi music section linked below. Want to try it yourself? Head over to ColoringBook.ai and start free. No credit card needed. Use code AiWithMe. Some links below are affiliate links, which means if you buy something, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That's how we keep creating free tools and downloads for you. After all, it's me, myself, and AI running this entire channel. Your likes, comments, and shares aren't just numbers. They're the fuel that keeps this passion project alive. So, what's your biggest creative bottleneck? Drop it in the comments. Your insight could help another creator. And if this video gave you ideas, hit like, share it, and subscribe for more AI tips, creative tools, and tutorials. You become futuristic, artistic when you AI with me.